Hey everyone and welcome to today's Wix tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add the social media icon bar to your Wix website. It's actually pretty simple, so without further ado let's get right into it. Now just one quick note, if this does help you out, please let me know by leaving a comment. Just tell me it works or it worked for me and I will know that the tutorial is still up to date. With all of that being said, let's get right into it. First off, go over to the Wix editor. And now simply go over to the add button, so the plus button. Now you want to go over to social and then simply go over to the social bar. There's multiple styles, for example the black, white, gray and white. These are more, abstract, and these are really colorful. So let's say these are the ones I'd like to publish on my site. All you need to do is to grab the social media icon bar and drag it onto your website. Now you want to click on set social links to indeed link all of your pages. For example, you're just going to click on the link button right here and then you want to fill in the address that you want to link to. In this case it should be your Instagram and then press on done. Now also make sure that it's on new window, because otherwise if people click on your icon they will be redirected to that site or page inside of the same window, which will lead to them leaving your website. And you don't want that to happen, so make sure it's on new window. The same goes for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube and TikTok. Just keep changing the link to the link of your social media platform, and you can also reorder all of the images. For example, let's say I would have Twitter as my first picture, then YouTube and then TikTok. You can just drag them into the right order. If you would like to delete some, that's also possible. For example, I'm going to delete LinkedIn and then simply press on done. Now right here you will still have the social bar or the social bar. You can of course also click on layout. You might want to make the icon sizes a little bit bigger. The spacing is something you can also change, and if you'd like them to be vertical, please address that right here. However, I would like them to be horizontal. I'm just going to drag them to the center of my page. And that's basically all there is. Of course you can also add an animation, but I don't really like that. Now just make sure to save your website. Click on done once again, and now when I go over to preview, you will see that we have added our social media bar. And when I click on something, I will indeed be sent over to the website and the web address we link to that icon. In this case that's Wix. And if you'd like to learn how to add a really cool banner or slider to your Wix website, please watch this video and I will see you there.